Hi, I'm Dr. Shah. I'm an ophthalmologist at Shah Medical Center in New Orleans, and since July is Healthy Vision Month, I'd like to mention a few points I think that are important to keep in mind to keep your eyes healthy and your vision safe. So first, when you're out in the sun, whether you're at the beach or by the pool, it's important to keep your eyes protected from the sun. Sunglasses and a hat are the best and easiest thing to do. Your eye is covered by a thin, clear skin just like the rest of your body. And chronic sun damage can cause discoloration and even skin cancer on the eye. It's a rare thing, but we see it. So it's important, again, to keep your eyes protected with sunglasses and a hat as much as you can when you're outside. Second thing I'd like to talk a little bit about this summer is safety and protecting your eyes from injuries and trauma. The 4th of July is coming up, and unfortunately it's a time where we see lots of eye injuries. So if you're playing with fireworks or other kinds of explosives, please be very careful. Wear eye protection when you can. Roman candles should never be pointed at other people. And again, that's an injury that we sometimes see. Those Roman candle balls can cause severe burns, and if they're in or around the eye, you can lose vision permanently from that kind of trauma. So again, be careful this 4th of July with your fireworks. Even if you're just working around the house, if you're using power tools, for example, in the garage, it's important, again, to wear safety goggles as much as possible. Grinding metal is a common injury that we see where shards of metal flake off and get into the eye and cause damage. Even gardening, if you're working on trees or working on shrubbery around the house, please be careful and make sure that none of that plant matter gets into your eyes. And safety glasses are the simplest and easiest way to protect your eyes in that scenario. The last thing I'd like to talk about is contact lens safety and hygiene. So contact lenses are very common. Many people wear lenses and they're great. But it's also important to be careful with them. Good contact lens hygiene is important. Make sure you clean your lenses well. Make sure you don't overwear them. We recommend not sleeping in your contact lenses and not swimming in your contact lenses. Misuse or overuse of contact lenses can cause severe infections of the cornea, and those again can cause permanent vision loss. So please be careful with your contacts and throw them away at the allotted time. If they're 2-week disposable lenses, make sure you throw them away and get fresh ones after 2 weeks. Also, there's a lot of chronic disease that we see in the eye, and it's important, for example, if you have diabetes, that you get an annual exam. So this is a reminder during the month of July. If you haven't done so, schedule your annual diabetic eye exam. If you have a family history of glaucoma, or if you're over age 55, it's important to get screened for glaucoma. Glaucoma is a silent thief of vision. It's an elevated pressure in the eye that cannot be sensed or felt and can cause permanent vision loss from damage to the optic nerve. So it does require an exam and screening. So please go ahead and think of that during the month of July. If you haven't done so, if you're over age 55 or you have a strong family history, please go ahead and call your local ophthalmologist and get screened. Again, I'm Dr. Shah from Shah Medical Center in New Orleans, wishing you a happy and healthy 4th of July. Have a great summer and keep your eyes safe and your vision healthy.